All right, guys, happy Wednesday the 9th. We are on the first job of the day in Waterloo, Illinois. We have a total of, we have a shower, some tile and grout. We're gonna clean and restore and seal, as well as some carpet cleaning. This client's happy, found us online, and is happy to go with us because we're the highest rated in our area. All right, guys, hey, let's go. Hey guys, happy Wednesday the 9th. Hope you guys are doing well. Beautiful day out here. We're in beautiful Waterloo, Illinois. We're doing a client that found us online, saw reviews, booked on the spot. We're doing a total of 5 areas of carpet with 2 closets, as well as some tile and grout cleaning in their bathroom, their master bath, and their shower. They got some calcium buildup, some grime, dirt grime. The other companies claim they couldn't remove. However, we can, because we have proprietary products and systems. So we're gonna get that emulsified today, back to original state. We're gonna seal it, and then we're gonna clean and protect the carpeting. So they're excited, and it's gonna be a good one. If you haven't done so already, please give us a little like and a follow, subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ryan. I'm the owner and founder of AOCleaning. We're a full floor care service company, as well as HVAC, duct cleaning, and sanitation. So we have valuable information, tips, techniques, education, and passion to help educate you as a homeowner and to protect your investment. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Check out our library. We have a lot of information there for you. And enjoy the ride. Ayo, let's go. All right, guys, what we're doing today, we're doing a total, like I said, total of 5 areas of carpet with a couple of closets. We're going to get it clean and pristine and protected. This is a contractor grade carpet for Zay. She's excited to get it done. And then, of course, we're going to be doing this area here. And then lastly, we're going to do the tile and grout in the shower. And we're going to get that clean and sealed and get that calcium buildup emulsified. So that's what we're doing here today. As you can see, at the bedroom area here. And this is the tile and grout. You can see that it's, got a little bit of soil load there, common. And the reason why is it's not sealed. So anytime you get a new build or it gets soil, because the grout's like a sponge, it's because it's not sealed. So that's where we come in. We can clean it, get the grime and dirt removed from the grout lines, and then seal it with an impregnated sealer, and all is well. Turn that light on. And here's a shower we're doing for them. Again, they had other company come in here locally, and they couldn't get the results and said that it was nothing that can be done. That's not correct. We have the right systems in place to do that. You can just see, it's supposed to be this, but you can just see how it's kind of, see that there? There, see that? And then of course down there, see, right there. So, and also in the grout lines, you can just see, zoom in for you. It's not supposed to be like that. So we're gonna get that taken care of for them today and get it back to original state. And again, if you have this issue and you're local, give us a call or visit our website at AOCleaning.com, and we got you covered. So we'll take care of that right there. This is a common issue, but that's why it's important, guys, to hire the right professionals who are certified, know what they're doing, and can get the results that you expect. So again, if you're local, reach out to us. Happy to help you. We do give free phone estimates, free quotes over the phone, and we also offer in-home consultations for hardwood. So that's our other division that we have that we love serving. But yeah, if you walk on it, we work on it. Remember, before you floor it, let us restore it. And of course, we also, besides floor care, we also do ductwork cleaning and sanitation as well. Because we believe at AOCleaning, a clean indoor environment is a healthy one. And we want to help you protect your investment. Why is that? You protect your investment and you prevent premature wear and replacement, as well as you prevent carbon footprint by waste. And you want to be proactive, right? And it also adds equity back into your home. So if you clean, maintain your flooring, whether it be your tile, your carpeting, your hardwood, or your luxury vinyl or engineered, then at that point, you can have resale value that whenever you decide to sell, it will be intact. You don't have to give it credit. So I actually work with a lot of realtors and things like that to kind of do walkthroughs on that. So especially if you buy a home, little tip of the day, when you buy a home, always ask, what's the maintenance schedule like on the carpet, on the hardwood, on the tile? Because a lot of the time, carpeting comes with a warranty. And here's a fun fact. If you clean it yourself, you avoid your warranty.
if you have a company clean it without being certified by the ISCRC, it's void. So make sure you do your homework and save your receipts, because that does have a warranty as well as your tile. And just make sure you do your research, guys, and ask those questions when you buy a home. And also ask your realtor these things as well. So again, always ask what the receipts for maintenance, so you know what you're getting and the value you're buying. Also make sure the ductwork is clean. Get pictures of that or proof. Make sure that make sure the grout is sealed when you buy a home, or even new construction for that matter. That's important. And also, hardwood. Make sure you have a maintenance on the hardwood. Make sure it's not distressed or degenerated, or there are surface scratches or scratches in the wood. Make sure there's no UV damage or any, off-gassing from air rugs. These are all important questions to ask that most homeowners don't know to ask, including realtors. A little fun fact. That's where we come in as the experts. So if you need our help on that, give us a call, as well as for more information, subscribe to our channel. But that's a little tip of the day, guys. Hope that helped you. Hope that would add value to you. I'm going to get this started, and let's go, AO. Got machine going and ready. Everything's set up here, as you can see. Everything's fully stocked and ready to go. And we're going to start. Have a blessed day. AO, let's go. All right, guys. Finishing up the bedroom now, the masters. Sanitizing it. Steaming it out. It's going good. Oh yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up cleaning this bedroom, then do the last closet, and then we're gonna start on the tile and grout in the bathroom. All right, guys, stay tuned. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, a little update. We're letting the product dwell in the shower. We're letting that emulsify. It's got about 5-10 minutes dwell time. Then I'm gonna proceed to clean the bathroom tile as well and pre-treat that. And that's a wrap, guys. Then after that, I'll seal it and then protect the carpeting, and another happy client. Also, be sure if you use our service, we also have our own line of cleaner, our hardwood neutral cleaner for tile and hardwood, as well as our own spotters, which is right here for coffee, wine, tea, pet problems, things of that nature. And of course, we also have our own line too that's complimentary with each service, called our AO Home Pro Spotter. So, all right, guys, the hot one today, but we're doing it. And let that dwell a little bit more. And that's going to be a wrap, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are cleaning the master bath now. The shower is complete. All right, guys, this is going good. We're emulsifying this and getting it removed and extracted. Client loves it. All right, guys, the client loved the tile and grout. Shower turned out good, but we're going to do a color seal on Friday to make everything blend. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, what I did here is I wanted to make sure that we got deep inside the grout line, to go the extra mile. So we're actually getting rid of all the bacteria, mold, mildew, bonded to the grout, because the grout is porous. And this is to ensure, as an extra step, to make sure everything's removed and is successful. So once we get this all removed and successfully rinsed, then at that point we can speed dry it and then seal it with our sealer. So this is an extra step we do after the cleaning, just to make sure everything is sanitized and removed correctly. And again, the client was just blown away, as they should be. All right, guys, stay tuned.
All right, guys, we're taking care of this mildew and soap scum the other company said they couldn't do. We're going to remove it. Beautiful. Nice. The shower looks divine. Got all the mold off that shower. Looks good.